Welcome to class number 10 of the Leaving Cert Ordinary Level Algebra course, where you are going to continue to solve power equations. Example 1. Write 16 by root 2 over 2 squared as a power of 2. 16 equals 2 to the power of 4. Root 2 is 2 to the power of a half. Now everything can be written as a power of 2. Add the powers to work out the top. Subtract the powers to get 2 to the power of 5 over 2. Solving power equations. The technique. Get the same base on each side of the equal sign. You can now equate the powers. Here is a simple power equation. The base on each side is 2. Because you have the same base on each side, you can put the powers equal to one another. Therefore, x equals 2 is the solution. Example 2. Solve 2 to the power of x plus 3 is equal to 4 to the power of x. Choose a base of 2. Change everything to base 2. 4 is 2 squared. Replace 4 by 2 squared. Using power rule number 5, multiply the powers to get 2x. You now have the same base on each side, so you can equate the powers. Solve the linear equation to get x is equal to 3. Example 3. Solve root 3 by 3 to the power of x is equal to 243 over root 27 all squared. Choose a base of 3. Change everything to base 3. 27 is 3 cubed and 243 is 3 to the power of 5. Replace the 243 and 27 by their powers of 3. Square roots are to the power of a half. Add the powers to get x plus a half. Multiply the powers to get 3 halves. Multiply the 2 by each of the powers in the bracket. Now equate the powers. Solve for x to get a solution of 13 over 2. That's the end of the class. Have a look at the demonstration examples, and when you think you are ready, do the exercise worksheet.